Jordan 1s were made by the best sneaker designer ever, and you'll never get a chance to have a pair. Official images of the Air Jordan 3 Wizards are here. The Travis Scott Jordan 1 is the most anticipated release of the year, and it's officially dropping on April 26th. Are you trying to cop a pair? Official images of the Nike Dunk Low Fishing are here. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? We all know it's SpongeBob, but did you know Puma had a SpongeBob sneaker pack that just dropped? The collection is fire. The official images of the Nike Dunk Low Pink Corduroy are here. Official images of the Air Jordan 1 Low Flaming Swoosh are here. Mischief is trolling sneaker hype beast again, and I love it. They're releasing the backwards sneakers that can be worn forwards or backwards. They're awful, but I guarantee they'll sell out immediately. April 11th is the drop date. Are you copping? Official images of the Nike Dunk Low Amber Brown are here. It took 30 years to make these Jordan 9s. Available in 2024, the powder blue Jordan 9s are lit. You copping? The official images of the Jordan 1 OG High Lucky Green are here. Official images of the Nike Dunk Low Remastered Reverse Pandas are here.